I didn't think that one through. Proof that marriage hurts. Lesson learned. Take rings off. Well, it looks like I need to spend some time learning how to put a axe head on a handle. It's slipping off, and I don't have another handle to fix it. This one's just not going to hold. So, not safe to use. I've got some learning to do as far as this is concerned, and this job just got a lot easier. In case you haven't noticed, to teach a man to fish, the man who's being taught is me. Much easier. Things did not go exactly as I had planned, but they rarely do. The end result is the tree is on the ground. The fun part is over, and now I have to reload the bonfire. YouTube has pulled a number on little guys like me. If I don't achieve my 1,000 subscribers, they end up changing my account and demonetizing it. So I'm begging for subscribers. So I'm a third of the way there to my 1,000 subscribers. If you like this video, I'd ask you to click to subscribe. I'm not sure which corner it's in, but you'll get notifications of when the next video becomes available, and you'll see the full content of the videos that I've already posted. I hope you enjoyed the video, and in case you hadn't noticed, this is a perfect example where I'm teaching this man to fish. Thank you for watching.